Hi guys, I'm just out in the garage today and I'm working on this RAV4. A friend came to me and they said that they were having trouble seeing at night with this car. So I decided the solution would be to clean up the headlights and install some LEDs. This has projector headlights, but it came with just incandescent bulbs. So LEDs will be a really big upgrade on this. So now let's look at some LED bulbs. So the folks at Auxito offered to sponsor this video and they sent me a set of LED lights for this car. So let's have a look inside. Alright, so it comes in a fairly nice box here. If we look at the back, we can see the product specifications. Temperature of these are 6500 K. They say the operating life is 50,000 hours. High brightness, easy to install. Quick start, fast heat dissipation, and for off-road use. So let's open up the box. So inside we've got a pair of gloves so you're not touching the bulb. We've got some O-rings, some tie wraps, and a little Allen key. An installation manual, and of course the bulbs. You can see here they've got connectors to adapt to the current connector. And they even have a little fan to help cool. And of course the LED light. Alright, so I'm going to pop the hood and get these installed. Okay, I'm going to start with the driver's side. So on the RAV4, you have a little connector you unplug here. And there's a little cover. It's a little bit difficult to remove, but I've loosened this one already. You just twist it until the tabs align and then it pulls off. And the bulb is connected to that. So you give the bulb a little twist counterclockwise till the tabs align. And it should pop right out. Okay, so you can see the cover I was talking about and the factory bulb. So I'm just going to pull this one off. I'm going to set that aside and get the LED bulb. Now I'm not going to use the gloves because I've just finished polishing for the last 2 hours. So my hands are really clean. I'm just going to be careful not to touch the LED. Now it comes with different sizes of O-rings. And that's just so you get a nice tight seal when you install this bulb. So I'm going to go with the one that's currently on it first and see how that fits. And you can use the Allen key to adjust the direction that this bulb is facing so that you get it to shine for your high beam and low beam in the proper spot. This one is just for the low beam, so I'm not going to do any adjustment right now. I'm just going to see what it looks like first. So I'm just looking at the tab alignment so I can put the bulb in the right way. Okay, so that fit really well with the factory installed O-ring, so I'm not going to change that. I don't see any need for the tie wraps either. This is all going to tuck nicely into this cover. So I'm going to connect these two together. I'm going to tuck the resistor and all the wires inside. And put the cover back on. Align those tabs again. Now before I move on, I'm just going to plug this in and test the light, make sure the polarity is correct. That tested good. Alright, so I'm just going to finish putting this cover on. There, that's locked into place. And now on to the passenger side. Okay, So we're just going to do the same thing again. Unplug the connector. We're going to turn this little cover and pop it off. Okay. Now we'll remove the old bulb. And we'll set this aside. And I'm going to connect the new bulb. And install that. And we're going to tuck the wires in again. Get the cover on. We'll plug the harness back in. And we'll test that one as well. That works too. Okay, so now we can see what those lights look like. Got a really nice white color to them. We may have to change those fog light bulbs so that they match, but really happy with how that looks. Now let's compare it to the old bulbs. So here we see the new lights are much whiter and much brighter than the old ones. The real test though will be to see how they work on the road. So both of these videos were filmed on fairly dark nights. And it seems the camera picks up more light than my eyes did because they did not seem this bright when I was driving. But it's pretty obvious, even with the street lights that are on the left, that the new lights are much brighter and much clearer. And it was like night and day, literally, when I switched these lights over and drove it for the first time with the new lights. As you can see, you can make out all the details on the road. And even without streetlights, I could see clearly ahead of me right up to the line as far as the headlights would reach. Well, I have to say I'm very impressed with the performance of these LED lights from Auxito. Also, the build quality appears top-notch, and I really like the packaging. Especially the fact that they included installation instructions, O-rings, tie wraps, and even gloves for a clean install. If you'd like to get a set of your own, head over to Auxito.com or use the link in the description. If you use coupon code NHBH, you can save 15% on your order. Well, that's going to be it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and I'll see you in the next one.